Come test drive the 2024 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.